and I got 3 shots. One here, one on the left. Point of the day, na-scratch ako ng neighborhood cat. I know he didn't mean it. Sobrang cute niya. Pinipet ko siya. Sumabit yung kuko niya sa vein mismo. Let's do a quick little fit check. I feel like my outfit today is very frumpy, very grandma. I got matcha and I also got some tart. There are dresses also here. Are these unisex?
Sorry?
Are these unisex?
Yeah, all unisex.
Okay, do you have anything gourmandish?
Okay.
I decided to exchange it for another one which smells so good. I got the up close. I'll show you guys later. But anyway, we're just walking around. I need to have late lunch because I haven't eaten anything yet. And I'm just going around. The bazaar downstairs isn't a lot, but there's definitely some pretty good finds. First time ko pala dito, guys. I haven't been here before, but I've been wanting to go for a while now because I've been seeing it on TikTok and Instagram. There are like a lot of other shops on here and just trying to find a good place to dine in. I went upstairs pero parang puro services pala yung andito. So I'm gonna go downstairs again, get some food or maybe some matcha and then probably get some flowers. I'll get matcha latte na lang po.
Ice matcha.
Iced matcha, yeah. And then I'll get an egg tart, just one piece.
250.
Do you accept card payment?
QR lang po.
Okay, QR na lang. Their matcha is super good. This is just what I got for now. And then I also got some tart, but I'll have a late lunch later na mas heavy. But for now, these treats will do. It's pretty refreshing here, but also if in case you're wondering, oo, nakatapat ako sa fan kasi ito lang yung available na space at the moment. There are so many people here right now. But it's very refreshing. It's like al fresco and the food's good so far. Well, the drink is good and the food looks good. I see people getting desserts. Also brought my Loop Kobo with me, my Kobo Libre colors. There's a photo booth here, but I think there's a line. Super cute. Let's do a quick little fit check. I feel like my outfit today is very frumpy, very grandma, or very tita, but not in a bad way. So this is what it looks like. Little twirl. Cardigan is from Uniqlo. Top is also from Uniqlo. I believe the skirt, if I remember correctly, is from Carissa. And shoes are from Converse. Nothing super remarkable here. I just threw this on kasi wala pa akong tulog masyado. I slept for like 2 hours. It got so busy. But I am enjoying so far. And we're gonna go to Green Hills Mall. The only downside is that the signal here is kind of whack. But hopefully makabook na tayo ng Grab or GSM to Green Hills Mall para we can spend some time there. Unfortunately, my brother will not be coming, but it's a self-date anyway. So let's go. Anyway, this is what it looks like kapag ang gamit mo is Go Ultra. Super nice. I've been enjoying this cam so much recently. So, let's go. Maybe I'll try to book. Oh wait, almost forgot. We're gonna get flowers first. Flowers. Herbin ba yun natin? Yung maliliit?
Opo.
Ito din yun, mga yun.
Hanggang dito lang.
Okay. We're going home, waiting for the Grab. I got to do a lot of things. Got dinner. I also found some loafers, but I didn't buy them yet because I'm trying to be more specific with the things I'm buying. With spending. But yeah, let's go home. Kwento of the day, na-scratch ako ng neighborhood cat. I know he didn't mean it. Sobrang cute niya. Pinipet ko siya. Tapos nagsisipag ako today. Naglilinis ako and everything. Tapos pinet ko siya. Tapos nag-play by siya. Naiiwas ko yung kamay mo. Eh si ate mo, gustong ipet yung cute na cat. Pinet ko ulit siya. Tapos ginanon niya yung kamay ko. Sumabit yung kuko niya sa vein mismo. Not sure if you can see it, pero ayan. Nasa ugat siya mismo, guys. As in. Tapos, dahil nasa ugat siya, dumugo siya ng dumugo ng medyo madami. Tapos, nagkaroon ng trauma dun sa vein. So, medyo bruised siya and namaga ng konti. And, it's been like 2 hours. Naligo na ako. Naghanap ako ng Animal Bite Center. Sarado pala yung mga bite center ng ganito. Ang open lang is mga sa hospitals na public, hospitals na private, at saka mga private na. And then sa mga private na clinics. Tapos naghanap ako yung isa 27,000. So sabi ko, okay, that's not so bad. Nakakaasar pero at least, 'di ba, maagapan kasi you have to do the shots within 8 hours. And then, as much as possible, syempre. Lalo na nasa vein mismo. So, kinontak ko yung friend kong doctor and she was so nice to let me know kung saan meron, ganyan, and everything, to recommend kung ano yung pwede kong gawin, etc. How long I need to wait, or how long before maging delikado not to take the shots yet, or stuff like that. Tapos, nahanap ko, meron pala sa MaxiCare, primary care clinics. So far, yun yung pinaka-okay yung price na private and at the same time, wala masyadong tao. Pero ayun, kumakain ako saglit. I have pancake. Pakainin ko lang din yung fur babies ko. Naigay ako na yung gamit ko. And I'm gonna go to the MaxiCare primary care clinic. Wala na akong card. I had my card before, but I have a different HMO that I haven't gotten yet. But I can get an e-consult card from there, 999 pesos lang. Tapos in total, lahat kasama na yung mga following na shots, tetanus toxoid, everything, anti-rabies, all of those other shots na I don't know what they're called. Kasama na, and they're all gonna be around 9,000 pesos. So compared to 27,000 pesos, and then may isa pa, sa Cardinal, sobrang mas mahal. May OBs there, and then I asked her secretary kung magkano doon. Sobrang mas mahal daw. And then I also asked sa De Los Santos Medical Center. Doon naman, it's also a hospital, so madaming tao sa ER for sure. And aabot siya ng mga 13,000 pesos and above. Possible pa daw umabot ng mga 20,000 plus. And then I also asked sa iba pa, ang daldal ko, but anyway, ayun, kasaglit pa lang yan. So, sa iba naman, I asked and possible umabot ng 80,000 pesos. I forgot kung saang medical center yon, but it's also, actually, it's also a private hospital. So, ayun, best option ko na yung sa MaxiCare. May isa pa ako nahanap, which is 10K. Yun yung second option ko. Pero parang hindi kasi siya DOH accredited. I'm not sure, I don't know. And I don't wanna wait until morning to go to a local health center para antayin ko pa na mag-open sila. So, and for sure, baka late na din ako magising. So, ayun, punta na ako. And cute thing is, andito pa rin yung cat na nakascratch sa akin. Second time ko pa lang siya makita dito sa bahay. For some reason, nagpupunta siya. Friendly yata siya ng isang cat ng father-in-law ko. And andito pa din siya. Nandun siya sa may bintana pa din. And it's been like 2 to 3 hours now. Nag-aantay pa din siya doon. I feel like he feels sorry for what happened. And nakabantay siya. Tapos lumalapit-lapit siya sa akin. May screen naman. So just signing up here. And I got 3 shots. One here, one on the left, and then this one is the most painful one. But it's done. So I'm here at Opus Mall kasi maghahanap ako ng dresses and cute stuff. Maybe even foundation kasi wala na akong foundation. So let's just go around and have a chill afternoon before I start work later. We're at the editor's market. I'm actually looking for something like simple, but I also want something backless and like shows a little bit of skin, but not too much. You know what I mean? Something like this one. Pero feeling ko baka halata yung puson dito. But let's see. This baby doll dress is kind of cute, pero it's only a size medium. I think I need a smaller XS. Anyway, this is what I'm wearing today. And my boat shoes. Sige po, I'll try. This one is free size din po, the black one.
Yes, ma'am. Precise.
Okay.
Sukat po na.
Brown one's nice. Sige po, I'll try both. Looking for matcha. We also have a few here. I'm just gonna buy a hairbrush that I really like from here in Mitsukoshi, and then we'll head to church in a bit. It's this one. It's a boar brush. But it's the cat design that I want. Just trying to find an ink for my fountain pen. I'm looking for a converter, but they don't have a converter for Kabeco Sport, so let's just find ink. You want bread?
Can I see?
I am home. Sadly, na-miss namin yung church service kanina. Very late na rin kasi ako nakarating ng BGC. I had a lot to do before preparing and going to BGC. Pero we were able to do a bunch of stuff. We got to eat. Nakapag-bonding kami ng brother ko, my sister-in-law, and my nephew. And that was so nice. It's very lovely. I love spending time with the family. And then we decided to eat sa may food court na lang na Mitsukoshi instead of transferring pa. We were thinking initially of going to SM Aura or Uptown, pero naisip namin parang mas masaya kung magta-try kami ng iba-ibang food from different places, different brands, instead of just doing one restaurant and then eating just one cuisine. I'm also very happy because I found a good bore brush. I do want this brand. It's not my top one brand for bore brushes, but I did see this a few weeks ago when I was on the hunt for a bore brush. And I really thought na ang cute niya. So I found it in Mitsukoshi. Apparently they have it there. It's a Korean brand. I hear it's really good. This is it. Super cute. They have this in a bear shape as well. It has bear ears. This one has cat ears. Super liit niya lang. This is smaller though. The one with the bear ears has a longer handle. This one has a chunkier but shorter handle. This is from a Korean brand called Yao. And I hear that it's really, really good. This is 1,550, by the way, basta 1,500 plus. And I think that's more justifiable compared to $200 Mason Pearson hairbrush that I think is a little bit bigger than this, less chunkier probably, but like longer than this one. Na-influence ako ng sister-in-law kumuha ng matcha from Mitsukoshi. They have more expensive matcha. I don't think they have ceremonial matcha. I'm not sure, I didn't see. But I wanted to try this one kasi may timpla na siya para pag nagmamadali ako, may sweetener na din siya. Pero for sure, I would love more yung matcha usually yung nabibili ko na ceremonial. But this one's also, it also looks nice. Super affordable also. This is 260 pesos.